Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your hotspot is grayed out on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now let's swipe down from the top right and tap and hold where you can see airplane mode and all that stuff. And you can see personal hotspot is off. Now if that's grayed out and you can't toggle that on to turn on the hotspot, I'm going to walk you through a couple different things that you can do to get it working again. The very first thing is let's get out of there and get into our settings. Once we're in our settings, you can see right under Bluetooth is cellular, and we'll tap on that. Now we want to make sure that all the data options are turned on cellular. So at the very top, cellular data, you want to make sure that's toggled on. And then right under it, cell data options, you want to tap on that. And make sure data roaming is turned on. Voice and data, this is important to set to auto. So you want it to choose the best cell network to be able to provide you with that cellular data. And then data mode, and you want it to allow more data or something that doesn't limit the amount of data to use. So you don't want to do like low data mode because that won't let you do the personal hotspot because that uses more data. So go through these steps and turn on all of these features on your cell data and try and see if it works again. Now, if it still doesn't work, the next thing that we'll do is we'll scroll down and get to general. Then we'll scroll down again and get to transfer or reset iPhone, and we'll tap on that and tap on reset and hit reset network settings. So this resets the connection you have with your cellular network, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, Sprint, whatever it is, and it should get everything working again. So reset your network settings and then try your personal hotspot again, see if it's grayed out. Now, if you go through those steps and it still doesn't work, the next thing I would suggest doing is just turning off your phone and turning it back on. So press the volume up and the power button and hold them down and just slide to power off your phone and then restart it. Once you've done that, if it still doesn't work, potentially the reason is because there's an issue with your carrier, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon, whatever it is, that's limiting your ability to do a personal hotspot. So if you're running out of data for the month, they could limit your ability to turn on that personal hotspot. Or some plans just don't allow you to have a personal hotspot with that specific plan. So call your carrier, talk to them, ask them, why can't I use my personal hotspot? Make sure it's not something on their side that's limiting your ability to do that personal hotspot. And if so, you might need to upgrade your plan to be able to turn it on and connect, say, your computer with your phone on the personal hotspot. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.